back again with another product. Today we have a product from Midea. This product is gonna make your cooking much easier, much faster. Trust me, you're gonna need this. In fact, you need this. You should get it right now. Make sure it doesn't exceed a week before you get this. Alright, let's unbox it together. And remember, if you're interested in any of the products you see on this channel, feel free to hit me up in my inbox. I'll definitely link you up. Back to the product. This product is made by Midea. It's a grill. It's gonna make your cooking easier. You got some paperwork right here. So this is the user manual. Let's have a close look at this. Or if you see that. So furthermore, you got this. We have drawings on here. So these drawings are gonna be much easier for you to understand, because they illustrate for you how you're gonna use this, how you're gonna clean it, and what you shouldn't do with it. Now here, this is very noticeable. I think you can see that. Do not drop this into your sink with water in it. Do not do that. Do not do that. I urge you to not do that. That's a no-go. Alright, back to the product. Power consumption and the helpline you could call in case you have any issues. Alright, done with that. So you have this. So you could either use this or this when you're grilling, whatever you want to grill. And remember, we're going to test this right here on this show for you to have a visual experience of what it will be like when you get this into your kitchen. Now this is well packaged for safety in case there's some bumpiness when delivering it. Alright, let's get this out. Now depending on the region you are, this is the power cord you will get. So you will probably need an extension for this. Let's open this up. You smell this? Smells like savings. Alright, what should we start by grilling? So in case you want to grill something, you put it just here, and depending on whatever you grill. So if you just do this, shut it, set what temperature you want to grill at, and the time. So this is temperature, time. So this is off, on. This is the temperature. It goes up to 230 degrees, and this is the time. So there's some warning on here. Warming hot surface. Oh, it's warning you, do not touch this when it's warming. Alright? So I think we should first grill something easy, something small. We're gonna grill some bread in it and have a bite right now. Okay? So let me get some bread right now. Put it into the grill and see what it tastes like. Put it inside the grill. So I'll just do this. Remember, if you have pre-made cakes, you could also warm them up inside here. So first we're gonna try the bread. Then later we'll get some chicken. Put it in there. Alright, so let's shut this. Alright, some of you will opt for a toaster, but a grill will be perfect because you can use it for grilling different things. So you got a timer. Let me put it at 5 minutes and the temperature at about look at that. So that's what it looks like in the dark. Do you see that moisture? And it's gonna make our viewers hungry now. Alright. Now be careful when you're getting this out, otherwise it will burn you. So look at that. Look at that. So this is your toasted bread. Alright, let me take a bite right now. On your behalf. Crispy on the outside and moist on the inside. I want to eat this every day. Alright, now let's try the chicken. Alright guys, we tried the bread. Now let's try the chicken this time round. Alright, let's try the chicken, put it at 10 minutes on the temperature of 70 degrees. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. You can hear that. Let's take a look at this. Look at how crispy that is. Now that's the sound of readiness. Alright. Oh, it's been a long wait. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, let's put this on the plate. We had bread on this before. So we now have the chicken on it. Look at how crispy that is. Look at how crispy that is. So you could opt to make this at home. If you have time, or which I strongly advise you should. Look at that. Look at that. Well, let me take a bite on your behalf. Let me take a bite on your behalf. Perfect. Perfect. Alright. Continue this video.